Hello YouTubers. Well, we're out on a little hunt today. We've only got a couple of hours. We've walked up the edge of this field next to the woods. We had a bit of a squeaker here and we have a thin copper coin. It's looking a bit toasted, but we'll take it home and see if we can get anything off it. On to the next find. Well YouTubers, we're on our next target. We made it up from down there where we found the coin. A couple of shotgun shells, and now we have a little bit of brass. A nice buckle. Well, we're in the corner of the field. We're going to check by this old log, it's just by here. See if anybody's sat there and dropped anything. And then we'll move up. Maybe into the next field or into the woods. I haven't decided yet. Right, on to the next target. Here we are at our next find. And it's a fired bullet. It's hit something. It's got a bit of a dint in the end. Right, we'll see what else we can find. We went into the woods, so hopefully it'll produce a nice little something and not just shotgun shells. Right, catch you on the next find. Here we are on our next find, about 2 inches down, and we have a penny. 1944. Right, let's go see if we can find something else. Well, that's where we had our other penny, the 1944, and we swung the coil forward. We got a target there, which has turned out to be another penny. Another target here, which is another penny. All within a foot of each other. I think we'll sweep round this little bit a bit more, see what else we can turn up, and we'll move on, see if we can find something else. Catch you on the next. Here we are at the next signal, YouTubers. See the imprint, and we have a sweet silver. It's a George. We'll wait till we get home to clean that one up. But awesome find. Right, on to the next. Well, here's our next decent, well, half decent find. Bit of a battered coin. It's looking like a half penny. Can't get anything off it yet. We'll take it home, see what we can do. By there we had a bit of a toy gun part, so looks like this is a bit of a hotspot area. Right, I'll catch you on the next find. Here we are with our next find, and only a short haul, and we have another penny. I think this one's 1901. Right, let's go and see if we can find something else. Catch you on the next. Here we are on the next find. Short haul. And we have shoe buckle. Bit twisted up, but we'll take that. When we clean it up, we might even have some decoration on it. Right, see you on the next hole. Here's our next find. and it's a 3p or a threepenny bit. 19, it's either 33 or 37. Right, let's go see if we can find something else. Catch you on the next. Well, here we are at our roundup. There's our shoe buckle. The pennies we found. The 1937 threepenny bit. Some half pennies. There's our silver. A load of new modern coins. They'll go in the piggy bank. Some bullets. I only showed you the one with the dint, but we got 3 of them all together. A lead plumb weight. I think this might be a spindle whorl. Our toy gun part. Key.